all Java enthusiasts. In Java programming, two powerful concepts come into play: method overloading and method overriding. Let's now dive deep into the differences between these techniques used for code reusability and flexibility. Overloading refers to having multiple methods in the same class with different parameter types or a different number of parameters. Overriding involves a method in a subclass replacing the implementation in the superclass. Method overloading is achieved by changing the number, order, or type of parameters in the method signature. In contrast, method overriding is achieved using the @override annotation in the child class. Method overloading can be performed within a single class, whereas method overriding occurs between parent and child classes. Method overloading can involve both static and non-static methods. Method overriding, on the other hand, applies only to the non-static plans, as static methods cannot be overridden. Method overloading is an example of compile type polymorphism. On the other hand, method overriding is an example of run type polymorphism. Let's understand overloading with an example. In this example, the sum method is overloaded because it is defined more than once within the same class but with the same different parameter list. Let's understand overriding with an example. In this example, you'll see a class car that extends the class vehicle. The class car overrides the move method from the superclass, and this is made explicit by the use of the @override annotation. The two methods are implemented differently in the method body. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with LearNowx for more tips and insights. Till then, happy coding!